Okay, let's see if we can do a railing review here. We've got 3 lights, 1, 2, 3, spaced pretty much, one at the top, one at the middle, one at the bottom of the stairs. And this run, it's in the diagram, it's a 30-degree stair, and it's 142 inches long from here down to the end. Then what happened is they continue the angle of the stairs into this post here, and let's see, do they line up height-wise? I guess they are where they are as far as the elevations, and where the posts kind of intersect as far as the height, because the new post needs to be 42 inches. So it looks like they have, I don't know how they terminated this, but anyway, the posts go inside. Looks like these were ended here with a hex nut, it looks like. This run here is about 40 inches. All of the angles on here are 145 degrees, so it's about a 35-degree angle depending on what side you're looking at it. This segment here obviously is 100% cable. This, you can see they had 1, 2 intermediate posts. This long run is 134 inches. Then we have another 35-degree turn. And then this segment down here is 98 inches, and then we continue down and you can get the measurements. This is 48 inches, and then we've got a segment over here. It looks like it's 116 inches. So we'll give you all the measurements in here, but I really wanted to show you the video to show you the layout of the railing here. So probably the key thing is 1 light there, 1 light there, 1 light in this run here, 2 lights in the small run, 1, 2, and then 1 in the middle of this run, 1 in the middle of this run, and 1 at the top of the post. So if I'm looking at it, we have 3 on the stairs, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lights. And then if we go to a fascia mount system, this is where the fascia mount will have to be obviously following the perimeter of the exterior here, and then we're going to have to go have a last post fascia right over outside there, and then we're going to have a separate post here and a separate post here that marries up to the height of that fascia mount railing system, so the cap will be one continuous top cap. And this is a piece of E-Pay that we're going to use, and I think we're going to stick with the same profile on this, and I've got the measurements of the E-Pay. Let's see if I have my tape measure handy here, and I can tell you exactly what it is. Okay, it looks like it is, oh, I'm gonna guess, okay, looks like 1.5 inches, but I'll confirm that. No, it's a little less than that. Anyway, I'll get the thickness of the E-Pay cap, and the way it's mounted is with whatever original system was part of the Feeney cable rail when this was done. So that's a quick view of what we need to have done. This, by the way, is the exterior of what we're dealing with, and I have to draw out a detail because this is kind of not what you're going to see, but we've got a 7.5 inch wide beam to mount into, so I'm thinking we're going to use the 5-inch fascia mounted brackets for the whole system. And over here we can use the fascia mount brackets or do what they did here, which is just use a full post and have it be flush mounted right up against the wood. So they have 1, 2, 3 flush mounted posts and 2 intermediate posts, and it's not a fascia mount bracket, it's just fascia mounted with the post directly bolted in. Okay, okay, thanks. That's Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises.